For this application, you will need to have prepped your nail, measured your paper forms, and got the forms fitting nicely around your fingers. You will then need to base coat your natural nails and cure for 60 seconds. Your first attempt at paper extension, we are going to show you how to do it with just one block colour. We're going to use peach from the starter kit. I want you to look at the lines on your paper form and decide what length you would like your new nails to be. Squeeze your tube of polygel from the bottom like you would do toothpaste, squeezing a pea-sized amount out of the tube, and then use your spatula to remove the product from the tube. We advise that you start with a pea-sized amount at first, as you can easily add more product. Place the polygel at the bottom third of your nails about 3 mm away from your cuticle. Dip your brush into slip solution, wipe off the excess onto your paper towel. Using your brush, lightly pat the polygel down towards your cuticles without touching your cuticles. You'll see that the gel moves really easily, so be gentle and slow. Remember that if any product touches your cuticle, it creates a bridge, oils can get under, and it causes lifting. Next, hold your brush at a 45-degree angle and pat along the cuticle area. This is going to give you the beginning of your apex and a smooth blend of the gel onto your natural nail. Pull the product slowly down your nail towards the free edge. Pat and smooth the product as you go. You want the gel to be thinner at your sidewalls and cuticles, but built up nicely in the middle. The free edge of your nail should be no thicker than a bank card. Remember, you have lots of time to play and get your polygel right, as it only sets once you put it under the UV light. You can add more gel if you feel that you need it. If you can get the shape of your nail as close to perfect as possible during this stage, it means you have less filing to do afterwards. Not wanting to get too technical with you at this first stage of learning how to apply extensions with paper forms, but if you are creating quite a long nail for yourself, you really want the apex of your nail to be in the back third. Once you are happy with your nail, cure it for 90 seconds under your lamp. Finally, we need to file and top coat. So take your file at a 45-degree angle, gently file around the cuticle area to smooth any excess product. Do this really gently. You'll find that because you've shaped it with your brush, there'll be even less to file than with a jewel form. Then begin to move around to the side walls. As you file the side walls, hold the side of your finger to keep the skin away slightly. To create your square nail, you want to hold the file firmly in a straight line and pull it towards you in the direction your nail grows. Then put the file back in the same place and do it again in a stroking motion. Keep going until you've got a perfectly straight line on each side wall. For the square tip, you need to make sure your finger is in a completely straight line in front of you. Hold the file straight and firmly stroke from left to right or right to left, whichever you prefer, but keep the file going in the same direction. This can create quite sharp corners, so you may need to slightly take the corners off once you've finished so you don't badly scratch yourself with your nails. Finally, file the apex area to make a nice smooth finish. You're taking down any unwanted thickness at this point. Polygel does not need harsh filing. There is no need for lots of pressure or speed. Again, hold your skin on either side of your side walls to prevent your nail file from scratching or cutting your skin. Once you have finished shaping your nail, you can give the whole nail a quick buff over with a buffer block. This is to get rid of any file marks, scratches or rough edges. Then rinse your hands under water without any soap to remove the dust. Now you are ready for your top coat. Place the brush 2 mm away from your cuticle. Push the product down towards your cuticle area. Pull your brush up one side wall, then the other side wall, and once more in the middle. Make sure your whole nail has an even coverage and gently wipe the brush across the free edge to cap your nail. Cure under your lamp for 60 seconds.